Hola, gusto verlos otra vez. Bienvenidos a la clase del día de hoy. ¿Qué nos dice este meme? No hablar mal de nadie es la mejor forma de hablar bien de ti. Do your very best. Put it on the warm-up. Remember, it's not about copy and paste, and it's not about looking up on Google Translate. Try to figure it out. Even if you get it wrong, at least try. You all know I always put the right response on the very first one that replies with the right response. So once you post, you can see what it is and you can compare it to what you got. Figure out where you're at. Alright. Hoy es jueves, el 12 de noviembre. Para empezar, write the conjugations for the following verbs. So yes, we went over pensar, querer, and preferir. So write those in there. What are they? So let's do the first one together. I'll help you. So for pensar, the first one is yo pienso, right? Remember, the E changed to I-E, right? Yo pienso. Okay. Now, let us move on. Do that on your notes, please. So, objetivo. ¿Cómo puedo usar los verbos querer, pensar, and preferir? How can I use those verbs? So we learn what they mean and we kind of learn how to conjugate them. How can we use them? So that's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice using them. The first letter for today's DOL is A. A. Alright, vamos a hablar. Or, let's talk. That's what this is saying. Vamos a hablar, let's talk, right? So, what you gotta do is you gotta fill in these blanks. Vamos a acabar esta conversación. Let's finish this conversation. So remember, person A is one person. Person B is the other person, right? So, esa camisa es muy bonita. How much blank cuesta? Cuesta $95. So what would go in that blank? I help you with this one. You do the rest on your own, okay? So, you would put how much. So how much is cuánto, right? Cuánto cuesta. And from there you would just fill out the blank. Now, not only do this, but also on your notes, go ahead and translate this conversation. By now you should know what these things are. Alright, the next letter for today's DOL is B. B. Awesome. Let us continue. So pause it here so you can do that. I'll continue the video. You'll catch up. Querer, or to want, right? Querer is to want. So, once again, fill in your blank. So this is pretty easy because they're kind of in order. So, yo blank una gorra. So put the form of the verb querer in there that goes in there. Pretty simple, right? Make sure to put that on your notes. The next letter is R. R. So notice this is basically the same as the last one, but it's using the verb pensar, so you gotta do the same thing. The next letter is I. I for your DOL. And the last letter is R. Now, go ahead, do this, put on your notes, take your time, do it slow, make sure you're doing it right. Right is better than fast. Well, have a great rest of your day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next lesson. Adios.